Hey there friends, Nibs again. Out here at the range tonight doing a little bit of goofing around, and I am right up against the end of the day, but I wanted to try to get a video done, another video done on this Daisy 131. I'm having a lot of fun with this gun. This is really pretty cool. I still have it topped off with this little 1 to 4 power CV Life, but it is a perfect matchup for this cool little gun, and we're going to go ahead and shoot it with a couple new pellets that I just got out here. These first ones, and I'll put some pictures up here. These are the Rws Superdomes, and then I have some Baracuda 8's, and I also have some rifle premiums. I don't know if I have enough time for all of these, but we'll go ahead and get started. It is getting dark quick, so I don't want to dilly-dally around, but this is a really cool little probably mid-90s Daisy Game-O Springer that was sent over to me by Robert, one of the viewers on the channel, and it is a good shooting little gun. So I have a couple of square splatter bursts out there, and if I can keep all the shots on that splatter burst, I'll be pretty darn happy. But shooting 25 yards, and that is a pretty long reach for this little guy. This is a sweet little scope though. All right. This thing did like, these are 8.3 grain. Yeah, 8.3 grain. This guy did shoot good with like the Crossman Premier hollow points, so I thought maybe it would do all right with these. About the same weight. Yeah, that's nice. Such a sweet little gun. Really light cocking stroke. I'm guessing it's probably 550 maybe tops as far as feet per second goes. But I greased the trigger or the spring a little bit, put RC bearing on the trigger here, and this thing is just a sweet little shooter. Nice light trigger now. Look at that group. That is something else. Do a couple more of these, and then we'll try the Baracudas. I actually got these in to shoot out of my Cometa. I brought a couple other guns out to shoot, and wasn't having any of that tonight, so I figured I'd break this little guy back out again. And a couple other ones having some issues. I don't know what's going on with them, so not the Cometa. The Cometa is perfect. I almost grabbed that and brought it out too, so that's a good group. We'll throw that in the Sub MOA app and see what we get for Alright, so these are Baracuda 8's, and these are 8.44 grains, so pretty darn close still. Hopefully I haven't shot one of these through this gun yet. I did shoot a couple of those RWS's before I started the camera up just to make sure I was hitting anything down there. But let's go ahead and see what this will do. Another splatter burst down under that one. Alright, same. Looks like it could used to come over to the right just a little bit. It's been raining on and off all day, and had some trouble over at the church. The cameras weren't reporting, so I had to go and check on that. They had a power outage, and the system needed to be reset. go in the same hole? Looks like it might be. Just expanded the hole just a little bit. Yeah, it looks like it's going in just about the same hole. That's if they are going all in, if they're not going in the same hole, then I'm completely missing the target. So it's just dark enough where it's getting harder for me to see. I can see the targets no problem through the scope, just seeing the bullet impacts. Wow. Do one more of these and then I'll get those other, the rifle premiums out. See what we can do with that. Wow, I think all of those went into that one little bitty hole. If it didn't, then you may never see this video, but just kidding. All right, let's if that's all one group for that was just 5 or 6 shots there, that's pretty amazing. All right, so I think I'm gonna go to the upper right quadrant of that same target there with these ones. Hopefully the point of impact will be about the same as it was for those other two. These are Rifle Premium Series round nose, and these are 8.33 grain. All right, upper right quadrant of the target. Ooh, that hit really low. Huh. All right, I think this guy don't like these. It looks a lot darker underneath this lean-to. It's not too bad out there yet. I can see pretty good. All right, I don't like these. Let's, I'm gonna do one more group with those Baracuda 8's. We'll find a different place to shoot, because that seemed pretty unbelievable, that one group. All right, so let's see, let's go to the, we'll go to the lower left quadrant of the target above it. All right, they hit off to the left, but that's where it's been hitting before. Let me do a quick adjustment here because they're all hitting off to the left. Hopefully that's not too much. Same place. All right, now I'm on. I'm up, just up a little bit. That's okay. I'm on as far as windage goes. Same place. And it hit, looked like it hit in the same place. I might have to order some more of these Baracuda 8's for this little bad boy. Wow, look how dark that is. It is not, that's a completely different situation than I'm used to. Usually that's showing me a lot brighter than what it really is. Wow, that's, you know, I saw that one go into that same hole. That's pretty amazing. This little scope's got some really nice light gathering capability. Yeah, look at that. Not quite as, well, that's pretty awesome. Did good with the, it did good with the RWS's, but it's doing super with these Baracudas. Wow. All right, I need to wrap it up for you guys can't see me. I don't know what is going on with that, with the camera tonight, why it's so dark. It is not that dark here yet, but anyway, there you go. That is the good old Daisy. Yeah, I don't know what is going on with my brightness today, but that is the Daisy model 131 from the mid-90s. So anyway, hopefully you guys will see me tomorrow. You can't see me now, but I hope you guys liked the video. What a great shooting little gun this thing is. Till next time, have a great day.